So I got good news at this point. It looks like I will not have to remove the radiator fans. This plastic that overlaps the condenser looks like it's not going to be an issue. Once I take these two bolts out, there's one here and one here, the condenser should be able to slide forward a little bit and then up and out. Obviously the two lines have to be disconnected. I already took the sensor loose and pushed it up out the way. I took those two plastic pieces off of either side. Here's a look at the parts that we have off of here. These are the pieces that were on either side. They go in, tuck up in here, just like that. It's going to take two hands to get it tucked back in there the way it's supposed to be. These pieces are just held on either side by plastic clips. Once you have them out the way, we got real good visual here. Looks like 4 bolts and the condenser will be out. Another look at the parts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts here. And the center brace or core support brace, whatever you want to call it, this is this piece here that's in the middle. I had to take the clips off so that the wiring would come loose. Really about it. But if you want to look at the hardware here that's come off of this bolt here is for the other bolt that goes in here on the hood latch, and then here is the hardware that's been taken off. Just this little bit. So it's a lot of clips and just a few bolts, and here we are. I'm making good time on this, but at this point I think I'm about roughly an hour in, give or take. I'm expecting this job not to take more than 3 hours in total, and that's me not knowing anything. I have no service manual. I've never done this on this particular vehicle, so I'm just attacking it as best I can, taking it apart, trying not to take extra stuff off and remember where everything goes, obviously. So here we are. I'll follow up with the next video. So hopefully on the next clip, the condenser will be out. As I said, it will only be 2 bolts, and then the 2 bolts holding on the lines.